Understanding Processed Foods. A simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, processed foods. We'll break down what it means, why it's important, and some examples. Let's dive in and make learning fun and easy. Processed foods are foods that have been altered in some way during preparation. This doesn't always mean they're unhealthy. It simply means they've been cooked, canned, frozen, packaged, or changed in nutritional composition with fortifying, preserving, or preparing in different ways. It's important to distinguish between minimally processed foods, like frozen vegetables, and heavily processed items, like chips or cookies. There are various levels of food processing. We can categorize them as 1. Minimally processed foods, like bagged spinach or roasted nuts. 2. Processed culinary ingredients, such as sugar, oils, and fats. 3. Moderately processed foods, including canned tuna or cheese. 4. Highly processed foods, like frozen meals, soft drinks, or hot dogs. Understanding these categories helps in making healthier food choices. Processed foods can have a big impact on your health. While not all are bad, many contain high levels of sugar, salt, and fat. This can lead to health issues like obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. It's important to read labels and be aware of what you're consuming. Moderation is key. Choosing healthier options is easier when you know what to look for. Opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. When you do choose processed items, go for those with fewer ingredients and lower levels of added sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats. I hope this video has helped you understand what processed foods are and how to make healthier choices. Remember, learning English and about food can be both fun and beneficial for your health. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in our next video.